Now, dear friends, we are here now at Anju World, Mindanilla, Cebu. Yeah, I don't know if it's the first, but it's the biggest theme park in Cebu, Philippines. See, we will ride there. There are lots of rides there, and they have Snow World also. Hello, let's go. Princess is waiting. Hello. Thank you. Guys, we are not allowed to enter the Snow World because I have hypertension and
That's mine.
we cannot take photo also, so I don't want.
Thank you.
Salamat. Hello. Okay, let's try the Viking.
Viking one, there's one and one more ride we can do.
Viking, it's slow, but I.
You not have any problem with this.
So guys, here we are, and we will ride with Kido 3D and Kido Princess. Hello, Princess. Face the camera. We will ride now, guys. We are kids at heart. Look at this panot guy. Hello, Princess. Yay! Yeah, gidi. Yeah. Let's go to where? Scotland. Right. Oh my God. Hello. Riding horse. Gidi. Yeah, Princess. Gidi. Yeah, riding horse. Hello guys, I'm riding horse. Horsey. Yes. Let's ride horse, dear friends.
It's kind of massage, you know.
Kaya video sa kukoy kaya kung kauno niya. See, Kido 3D is happy. Auntie! Your kid is here. Yeah, enjoying. Yeah, gidi. Thank you so much. More, faster. Pababa, isa di ako eh. Mana, 3 minutes? 3 minutes is over. Huh? now, guys, we're going to that big round wheel, the Ferris wheel, the Anju Eye. Going there, we need to go on the stairs. We'll go to the Ferris wheel ride. I will go there with Francis. Hello, Francis and 3D. Let's go to the. I will take photo first. So you know what? When we went here, lines, lots of people. So now, guys, we will be riding the Ferris wheel. Oh. What's that? Nadili sa siya. Kuan. Dili timbang. Hello guys, we are here now inside this big round eye, Anju World Eye. So, oh my goodness.
Chalo, chalo.
We will go on the top. I hope we are all safe. Thank you so much, God. Some blessings. I will show you the view outside, huh? See? We will go now. This is a 9-minute ride, guys. See, those are the mountains of Cebu. Cebu Mountain up there. The Cebu Mountains, you see? The lights. See? Oh, guys, very nice. Thank you so much, God. It's a blessing.
ये देखो इली बबली तो हैप्पी
You should stay here so you can take video. Here. At saka mag-video siya ko ha. Mura lang hinatuwang iba ni Street Deep 3. 3.
So enjoy.
Yeah. Guys, we will try this later with Princess. Princess. Hello, Princess. He's angry. Hello, try. Guys, we will try this later. See?